Hey there, so in this course we're going to be coloring a goblin. This goblin. This is a complete start to finish walkthrough of every step of the coloring process using Procreate on the iPad. This time lapse you're watching is actually made from all the lessons in this tutorial. My name is Kurt and I'll be the one teaching it. I've been a digital artist since 2003 and been teaching art on YouTube since 2013. Since then I've recorded hundreds of hours of lessons and taught thousands of students all over the world about digital art. I designed this course for anyone looking for a step-by-step, comprehensive, detailed walkthrough, think Bob Ross style, but digital. By the end of this course you'll understand several different ways to create awesome lights and shadows, how to pick colors and change them on the fly, how to use a mask to make things easier for yourself, and a bunch of stuff I can't fit in this promo. And of course you'll be able to take what you've learned into your own artwork. I'll also include brushes you can download and the actual layered files that I created making the course, so you can import the art to work on it yourself from a few different stages. Or you could just rummage through the layers on the finished product and see how it all comes together. Keep in mind that I am going to assume you know the very basics of Procreate. You can find the brush, you can find the eraser. Won't be going over these things, but if you're a rank beginner to Procreate, you might want to check out some of my other courses. So I had a lot of fun making this course. I think it's a fun way to learn. So thanks for watching and hope to see you inside.